And I'm a student at the Culinary Institute. Today I will be making a peach flambe with homemade blueberry ice cream. We will be starting off with butter. You want the butter to melt into your pot. Nice flame. The peach flambe is a little play of the banana foster, which was invented at Brianna's in New Orleans. I just decided to do the same steps but with peaches instead of the bananas. Once you get your butter to fizz up, you're gonna add brown sugar. You're gonna allow it to caramelize. Allow it to cook for a few minutes. You're gonna get a nice consistency. You'll start seeing the bubbles move and you'll start hearing the sizzle. You're gonna wanna hear the sizzle because the pan needs to be hot for the flambe portion. These are sliced peaches. We're gonna allow the peaches to get nice and sugary. I chose to do a peach flambe because my grandmother loves to make peach cobblers, and that's one of our favorite dishes that we share together, peach cobbler with a nice vanilla bean ice cream. So I just decided to make my own play on it. For the flambe, I'm gonna be using Jamaican rum. You will want to use rum, vodka, any type of liquor that has a high percentage, 40% or higher, 80 proof or higher, so that it will flambe. But you don't want to use Bacardi 151 or Everclear because it's too strong. You're going to take the pan off of the flame. Always pour from a different vessel. And then turn the flame off. The alcohol will burn down, the syrup will get more syrupy, and then you will be able to pour it over your dessert. Sprinkle some cinnamon and nutmeg together. Add some fresh blueberries. Add some fresh raspberries. And just allow it to come together. Right here, I have a vol au vent that I made. It's just a puff pastry bowl that you can eat, have it be edible, have your whole dessert edible. I made a blueberry puree right here and a raspberry puree to have with it. This is the blueberry vanilla bean ice cream that I made. Now you just want to take some of the blueberries and the peaches and just pour it right over. Have some fresh mint. Mint is always a good flavor with fruit and ice cream. And then I have a little bit of fresh whipped cream to go on top. And there you have it, a peach flambe with blueberry ice cream.